A hurricane warning remains in effect, and a storm surge warning remains in effect along with a mandatory evacuation order. As of the 10 a.m. advisory, Hurricane Tyler had a last recorded wind speed of 220 miles per hour, officially becoming the strongest storm in terms of wind speed on Earth, beating Hurricane Patricia's record back in 2015. Extreme lightning and softball-sized hail were reported by hurricane hunters. Radar showing high reflectivity in a patch inside the eye wall of the storm, evident of large hail. The storm is expected to bring complete devastation and leave nothing standing once it passes. Surge levels of 27 feet have been recorded and the storm has yet to make landfall. This reading was